All right, we are at the Frankfurt airport, and it's got the big Schaefer buttons. These elevators here. There's actually a bunch of elevators. So you see there's these ones here. They're on their own controller. And then go over there. There's a set of 2 employee elevators over there. Then there's this set of 2 that goes up to separate levels. And then there's also this set of 2, which is completely turned off. Made by BAAS. I would assume all of these are BAAS originally. Oh yes, we get both open. Yes! Solo ride. You can kind of see out. Wow, we actually made a full ride. Now it's going to be a shit ton of people. Yeah, these are insanely busy, so I'm just going to keep the video to that. It's not going to be a very long one. These things are crazy busy. And also I have a flight to catch, so with that being said, that will be all. We'll watch them close up so you can see it go. That one watch. Kind of see the outline of it. See, you can kind of make out the door operator too.